Welcome back to Rachel Sit Pilates. Today is a full body Pilates workout. This workout is part of a 5-day no equipment playlist that can be used for travel. It contains 5 workouts, just 10 minutes a day. Great to get in a little movement whether you're traveling or just short on time. And if you download the calendar in the video description, you can click the picture and go right to the workout, no searching around. I'll also link my 5-day travel playlist with bands that will be out next week. So let's get right into it. To begin, let's start by lying on our backs. Knees go over the hips in tabletop. Arms are up towards the ceiling. Bring one arm back, one arm down by our hips, and switch. We'll be moving for 40 seconds for each exercise, and you can breathe in as the arms come back together and breathe out as they separate. Arms come down. Let's extend one leg out, bring it back to tabletop, and then the other. You can press your low back into the mat if that feels more comfortable for your low back. Bring the feet down. Let's have our legs hip distance apart. We're going to bridge up, drop the hips, and press back up. With a breath, we'll inhale as we come down, exhale as you come up. Squeeze those glutes as you come up into a bridge. Come down. Now we're going to press up back into a bridge, extend one leg out at the same height as the knee. We're going to lift it up, flex the foot as we lower down to the same height as the knee. If the pointing and flexing gets too confusing, you can just raise and lower your leg. And if you want to add more of a core challenge, you could raise your arms up towards the ceiling. Bring that leg down, stay up in a bridge. Let's go to the other side. Lifting that leg, flex the foot as you lower. You can keep your arms up or you can put them down by your side. Leg comes down, let's come down. Now we'll go into ab prep. Bring your legs back up into tabletop. Arms are reaching above. We flex up and lower down. With the breath, we breathe in as our head comes down and then breathe out as we curl up. You can look between your knees as you curl up. If at any time your legs get too tired, you can place them back on the mat. Bring your legs back down. Let's continue our ab work. Walk your feet further away from you. Arms are overhead. Bring the arms up. We curl up part of the way, or if you want to come up all the way, you can curl up and keep going. Keep those arms raised and lower down. So your choice which one you want to do. Let's begin. Arms come down. Let's go back to some glute work. Walk the feet in, bring the heels together so we're more in a V position. Bridge up, drop the hips and come back up. With a breath, breathing in as we come down, breathe out as we come up, and squeeze those glutes as we come up. Come down, we'll take a few moments to rest here. Bring the legs back up into tabletop. Arms are reaching overhead. We're going to curl up, stay up as you bend and flex the arms and come back down. So working more on the endurance of the abs, adding a little more hold time as we're curled up. With the breath, you can breathe out as you curl up and then breathe in as you lower the head. Great, let's come up onto our hands and knees. Let's go into cat stretch. Round the back, feel a stretch through your back. And then drop your belly, arching your back, feeling a stretch through the front of the abs. And again, round your back. And drop your belly. Keep going. Sitting back now into a shell stretch. Open your knees wide, feet are together. Arms are reaching in front. Round the back to feel a nice stretch. Bring your arms to one side of the mat to feel a deeper stretch through one side. Bring your arms to the other side of the mat. We'll hold here. Coming up, let's do a mermaid stretch. Bring one leg in front, the other leg in back, and then we'll side bend to the side. Switch sides. Arm comes up and you're all set. Congratulations for completing this workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below, where are you exercising from, whether it's at your home or whether you are on a vacation. And check out the full playlist and more of my workouts. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.